Comparison of computer viruses. Torbig cost $8K of damage. Metropolitan Police virus cost $15K of damage. Nixam cost $16K of damage. Loki cost $17K of damage. Pikachu cost $18K of damage. Bashlight cost $20K of damage. Stormworm cost $33K of damage. Beast cost $40K of damage. Superworm cost $70K of damage. Allurion cost $70K of damage. Magister cost $80K of damage. Ragin cost $80K of damage. Netsky cost $85K of damage. Senti cost $90K of damage. Poison Levy cost $93K of damage. NRG Bot cost $100K of damage. Autorun cost $120K of damage. Anna Kournikova cost $166K of damage. Shamoon cost $200K of damage. Wundo cost $300K of damage. Witty Worm cost $320K of damage. Blaster cost $400K of damage. Fizzer cost $700K of damage. Flame cost $780K of damage. Dooku cost $1 million of damage. Mirai cost $1.3 million of damage. W32 Dozer cost $2 million of damage. CryptoLocker cost $30 million of damage. Zeus cost $70 million of damage. Morris cost $96 million of damage. Heartbleed cost $500 million of damage. Caesar cost $500 million of damage. Stuxnet cost $600 million of damage. Nimda cost $635 million of damage. Bagley cost $896 million of damage. Agent.btc cost $1 billion of damage. Sircam cost $1 billion of damage. SQL Slammer Sapphire cost $1 billion of damage. Melissa cost $1.2 billion of damage. Vanasri cost $1.27 billion of damage. Code Red cost $2 billion of damage. CIH cost $6 billion of damage. Love Letter Worm cost $8.75 billion of damage. Configure cost $9 billion of damage. Class cost $9 billion of damage. Ransomware cost $11.5 billion of damage. I Love You cost $15 billion of damage. Caesar cost $31 billion of damage. Sobik cost $37 billion of damage. Maidu cost $38 billion of damage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos.